Today we're going to do some Eid shopping. Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, and welcome to my channel Travel Sightseer, and I'm Aasma Mahmood. So guys, how fast is Ramadan coming to an end? There's only like 9 or 10 rows left, but these are the most important 9-10 rows of the month, so make sure you seek out Laylatul Qadr on the odd nights. But as far as Saudi Arabia started a day before us and we started a day after, so I say every single night on the last 10 nights seek out Laylatul Qadr, and make sure you remember me and my parents in your du'as too. And as Ramadan is coming to an end, Eid is also fast approaching. So today we're going to do some Eid shopping, so I'll take you guys with me. So let's go.
A few moments later.
So we have come to Trafford Centre for our last bit of Eid shopping. Let's see what we can find. And I will also show you some of Trafford Centre. So Trafford Centre is based in Manchester in the UK. So if you live outside of the UK and you come to the UK, I do recommend visiting Trafford Centre, which is in Manchester. It's one of the biggest shopping malls in the northwest. So there are a variety of shops from different kinds of food, clothes, shoes. So anything that you need, you can get it from Trafford Centre. This is my niece's favourite ice cream stall. Niece just got an ice cream. Do you like your ice cream?
I like, yeah!
Comment below if you had this ice cream before. You can choose your own flavours, and there's a big variety of different flavours available. If you want to try this in Trafford Centre, it's based in Selfridges. Donuts from Gooey are one of my favourites, so I decided to get some for Iftar time. They've got quite a variety of different donuts and different cookies. Highly recommended. This is also based in Selfridges. They are a bit more expensive than other donuts, but definitely worth it. Who else has got all their Eid gifts already unpacked? Comment below. So I'm going to go into Khaadi and see what their new collection is, what Eid collection they have, and see if I like anything. And I'll also show you what's available in the Khaadi store in the UK in Trafford Centre. Khaadi shop is done. So I got a message from Dior saying that they have my birthday gift, so I'm going to go and collect that to see what they're giving me for my birthday. Lovisa is also one of my favourite stores for jewellery. They have some amazing jewellery They are a bit expensive, so the best time to go is when they have the sales on and you can get some good deals. So my niece has done her shopping, Eid Shopping at accessories. You got all your stuff? You got your jewellery? You excited for Eid? Yeah, so come on, let's go. For the Star Wars fans, there were characters of Star Wars just outside John Lewis. We didn't find any bangles on my niece, so we're going to leave Trafford Centre and go and find some churiyan for my little niece. There was a Palestine Protest going on and for a ceasefire. Make sure to continue supporting Palestine and showing your support. These guys were telling all the cars to honk their horn as they drove past to show support. Keep showing your support, keep making noise, show Palestine that we care. Remember them in your du'as, especially on Laylatul Qadr or the odd nights of Ramadan, and do extra prayers for them. May Allah ease their suffering, Ameen. So I finally found some bangles for my niece. So we decided to get some day palette and samosa chaat for Iftar. So we get that and then head home.
When the tanks come rolling in and the fear swells up within, just know you're not alone.
A few moments later.
Just arrived home, done all our shopping. That's our Eid shopping all done. So arrived home, done all our shopping, all our Eid shopping is done. So now we're going to get ready for Iftar time and I'll show you what we have for Iftar today. So how are your fasts going? How Ramadan been going for you? Make sure you comment below and let me know if you don't know your Eid shopping, how your rosy been going. MashaAllah, 19 fasts have already done. I think it's 20 for some people and they've gone really quick. So we're on the last stretch now. There's the last 9-10 fasts left. Increase your ibadat, do extra prayers, remember the suffering around the world, remember the poor, and look after yourself as well. So if you like today's video, make sure to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching.